Hey, what's up? I'm in my car. I have a Hyundai Tucson. The car just keeps failing. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of driving and spending money with the car, and I've decided to buy an e-bike and ride an e-bike for a year. So I'm not gonna have a car anymore. And the difficulty that I'm gonna face, I live in Connecticut. It's a very cold area in the winter season. The wintry conditions are not easy. Nobody rides a bike. This is a place where everybody's driving all the time everywhere, and nobody's walking or running or whatever, you know. We'll rarely see any motorcycles except in summer. You'll absolutely see no e-bikes. So no e-bikes in Connecticut. I haven't seen them. If you have one and you live in Connecticut, well, feel free to comment, but I haven't seen. Well, this car is a piece of shit. It's a Hyundai Tucson, and I realized that the car tends to have engine failures and just, die out of the blue. I was driving on a highway, then the car just shut down and it wouldn't start. I called the mechanic, and the mechanic said that it could be battery, whatever, and then they checked and rechecked. I got the car towed to the garage. After some inspection, realized that the engine had broken down completely, shut down. And so this is junk. I'm inside a piece of junk. The car is new. Actually, it's a 2013 Honda Tucson. It does look new. It's clean. I keep it. I maintain it. I do oil change. The car looks clean. It looks good on the outside. As you can see, there is nothing wrong with it except that the engine is completely dead. I have to sell it to the junkyard. I'm gonna cash a couple bucks, and I'm gonna use that money to actually buy an e-bike, and I'm gonna try to ride an e-bike for a whole year. I'm very concerned about the winter time, but I think that I'm gonna be able to do it. It shouldn't be impossible. There's nothing impossible for those who want to do anything, especially people who are sick and tired of paying so much for insurance and everything, and maintenance and oil change, and the car just fails on you. That's simple, like that. I was thinking of buying a cheap Amazon e-bike. I've been looking for a lot of e-bikes. I saw that the Super 73 is like one of the most wanted e-bikes, very much used in New York City. But I'm not in New York, I'm in Connecticut. So there are two e-bikes that I wanted to buy. I was in between the Ridstar Q20 and the Amiet V60, if I'm not wrong. And because I saw some reviews on YouTube, I kind of feel like the Ridstar, or Ridstar, whatever you want to call it, I feel like the Ridstar is a better e-bike. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go online to Amazon, and I'm gonna buy it right now. So now we're going online in order to buy my new vehicle, and it's not gonna be a car, it's gonna be an e-bike. Amazon, let's go for the Ridstar Q20. Ridstar Q20, it's going for $649 plus $300 delivery, which is set to be between May 23rd and May 29th. There are only 12 left in stock. Order soon. Let me make sure that I'm buying the right one. Okay, here we go. We got two kinds, right? We got the 20 amp, we got the 15 amp, and people told me get away from the 15 amp because it's not as good as the 20 amp. So whatever that is, I am not sure really. Let's go with a better one. So 48 volts, 20 amp, 1000 watts, 649, 300 delivery. Added. Okay, go to cart now. Okay, it's coming too. So it's going to be a $1,009.26. It's a pretty reasonable price, I guess, for the bike. Okay, making sure that we're buying the 20 amp. Place your order. There you go. Order placed. Thanks. And now I just got to wait for the bike. Let's see how it goes. Now, instead of driving a car in America, I'm gonna be riding an e-bike in America for a year, a whole year.